Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own whitening body scrub. All we need is 2 cups of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of calamansi or lemon, 3/4 cups of coconut oil, and 10 drops of lavender. But this one is optional. It's up to you if you want to put or not. Okay, I just want to explain a little bit. Brown sugar exfoliate, clearing away the dry dead cells, and also brown sugar has antibacterial properties, and also the calamansi or lemon act as a natural bleaching agent. So that's why calamansi helps to lighten or whitening our skin. So now what we're gonna do is put your calamansi or lemon. Here we go. Alright, mix it. And then, as I've said, you can add essential oil, but it's optional. So I will gonna add now one. Okay, 10 drops. You know what? I always use lavender because it's calming, has a calming effect. So, and now we put the brown sugar. Here we go. Smells good. Now you have your own whitening body scrub. What we're gonna do is, okay, every time you use it, you have to mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. And guys, so this one is you cannot use this one every day, only 2 times a week or thrice a week. Okay, just put a little, as I've said, and then scrub it in a circulation motion. And here we go. Scrub it. Okay. And leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. And then rinse. Okay, so I rinse it. You know, after that, after you rinse it and dry it, you will have ended up with smooth silky skin. And then if you keep using it, then you will gonna see your skin is starting to lighten. And also when you use that whitening body scrub, you don't need to use lotion. You look at this one. If you feel it, it's so smooth and silky. Now what I do is put on the in a jar. So keep it, and you have it. So you can use it every I said it's 3 times a week or twice a week. Okay, look at this one, guys. Here we go. So again, please like, share, and subscribe for more video, guys. Bye.